name is Sylvain, Senior Technician and Trainer over at Cafection in Volcan. Today, we will see how to unpack and install an Encore Venti machine. To install the machine, you will need a pair of pliers, a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver, a pair of cutters, an adjustable wrench, and a level. Unpacking your machine. Remove all the staples from the top portion of the packaging. Remove the top cover. Remove the accessory box from the top of the machine. Remove the side panels. Remove the plastic wrappings and the protective layers around the machine. Inspect your machine for any kind of visual damage. Use the proper equipment to lift the machine to be able to put it on the countertop. If you don't have the proper tools, make sure to have a helping hand in order to safely put the unit on the countertop. Unpack the accessory box and remove all components from the inside. Remove the bean hopper, the drip tray and grill, the drip tray support and the plastic hood. Remove all packaging surrounding each component. Turn the unit and using a pair of cutters, remove the zip tie retaining the plastic bag. Retrieve the machine key located inside this bag. Remove the tape from the inlet valve and unpack the electrical outlet. Remove the tape from the unit. Open the unit and remove the documentation inside the door. Remove the splash guard. Inside the waste bin, you will find the platinum filter paper roll, a second machine key, the overflow tray, and all required accessories in the user's manual. Remove the tape from the unit. Remove all tape from the canisters, openers, and mixing bowls. Then remove the tape holding the canister's covers in place. Once completed, reinstall the canisters inside the unit. When installing the machine, use the leveling lights of the unit to make sure that the unit is level. Remove the screws from the overflow tray support. Keep the screws. Mount the overflow tray support underneath the machine using the two existing screws. Feed the wire through the opening at the bottom of the machine and hook the two wires to the overflow tray. Put the overflow tray on its support with the connections aiming toward the back of the machine. Replace the waste bin back in the machine. Reinstall the splash guard. Use a Phillips screwdriver to mount the drip tray support on the machine using the two existing screws. Assemble the drip tray and its grill and place them on the support. Unlock the bean protector funnel. Mount the bean upper in place and swivel back the bean protector funnel. Lock it back in place. Install the hood on top of the machine. Close the door. Before connecting the machine to the water line, make sure that you got the proper water line and requirements to connect your machine. You must have a valve to be able to shut the water line off, and also have the proper fitting on the water line. Before connecting any appliances to the water line, make sure to drain the line for at least 1 gallon to get rid of the sediments and minerals inside the water line. Now it's time to hook the water line to the back of the machine. Make sure you got the proper fittings and put a fitting on the inlet valve. Use a pair of pliers if required to screw the fitting in place and do not over torque. Slowly open the valve and make sure that there is no leak at the bottom or near the inlet valve. You can now hook up the machine to the outlet. Make sure before doing so that the electrical installed on location matches the power requirements of the machine. All the information is located on the back panel on the nameplate behind the machine. Plug the unit into a dedicated outlet. You are now ready to turn the machine on and start filling your products.